I'm Daniel Murokora, and we are here at my farm in partnership with ME Farms, and I'm being supported by ME Farms to make a strategic plan for this farm. It is about 10 acres out in Luweero district, so that we can fulfill my vision and my family for having a unique dairy farm for goat milk. The interest we are here for is to do an initial survey so that we can do a good layout and clearly structured plan for this farm. Our vision is to have a unique goat dairy farm that would serve the need for nutrition for various people in this country. We want to satisfy a need in the community where nutrition for young babies is still a big issue, and therefore this is why we are here to plan and implement this unique farm. We will be called DM Farms, and please watch this space and support us how we grow together in partnership with ME Farms. Thank you.